NAOIY military grade smartwatch. This is a waterproof, rugged style outdoor smartwatch that can be used with both Android as well as iPhone. It has all the key features from HR, blood pressure, SpO2, as well as sleep monitoring that you would have on very high-end watches. It is built to last intense weather conditions. So no matter what outdoor activity you're doing, you can track it, and it is meant to withstand extreme weather environments. So it does have a voice AI built in it. It is IP68 waterproofing and has over 100 different sports modes you can choose from to ensure you get quality tracking for whichever activity it is you're doing. You can check the weather on it, text messages, any of your kind of standard that you would do on a more high-end watch, but get it at a wonderful price on this one. Works great. Check it out.